Hi, and welcome back to UMMZ CT Data and Segmentation tutorial series. I'm Shion, and this is the last section of uploading to Morphosource. So, just as a reminder, this last video will be talking about manually linking specimens iDigBios. So, as you can see here, I have already compressed the file and also updated the metadata. And so now it is time for me to generate a batch upload spreadsheet. So with this, we have to go to user configurations, right click, edit with Notepad++, and there are a few key changes we have to make. So the first one here, line 48, where it says query iDigBio, we are going to change it or keep it at false. As a reminder, iDigBio is a web page or source that contains more specific information about the specimen. And so usually the code is able to pick that up, but for certain scenarios, certain institutions, this has to be inputted manually. And so in that case, again, we're going to put it as false. And as always, we're going to put in the grant scanning institution and the grant specimen provider. So in this case, it is the USNM. So, and they're not an overt TCN institution. So I'm going to put none and then still make sure that they have their name right here in provider. So after saving this, I can close it and generate that batch upload worksheet. So again, I go to Anaconda, change the directory to the appropriate drive, and then the appropriate file. So again, you just click and drag Morphosource batch convert here. And then the code for the spreadsheet is Python main _ mbc.py. And unlike when we have the iDigBio query to true, it's not going to ask anything about the collections. So we can just put Y for yes, and that's complete. And if we go to the spreadsheet, you can see that under occurrence ID, it is actually blank. And so this is where we have to input the iDigBio. So to do this, we can open our browser, go to iDigBio, and the specimen we are working with today, it is called it is a USNM specimen. So under institution code, we can just type that in. And then in the search field, we can just put the specimen number. So that's 93413. If you scroll down, we can find the correct specimen here. Click view. And then you want to scroll down to where it says occurrence ID and copy the link next to it. Now, if we go back to the spreadsheet under the occurrence ID tab, we can input that link. After making sure the spreadsheet is complete and looks good, we can save it. And as usual, we can save it to our desktop and upload everything onto Morphosource as usual. So again, if you have any questions about this, about the uploading process, you can always email me at sotsuka@umich.edu.